Today I'm going to be putting on this Protect On glass screen protector for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So let's get started. What I'm going to do is go ahead and power off my iPhone 14 Pro Max. So to do this, you're just going to hold the power or the volume up button and the power button at the same time until you get this menu and just hit slide to power off. And then let that do its thing. And so you can pick this screen protector up at any Walmart, and I'll leave all the links down in the description below and where you can pick this up. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. Once I get something to cut this tape with. Okay, so I'm just going to use the screwdriver to get in there and do that. Okay, so now that that's done, go ahead and lift up this little tab. Okay. And so the box is empty. And so here it looks like, oh, it's a little package. Okay, so we have, looks like a little booklet on how to use this, which is really nice because I've used some screen protectors. I've actually gone through 5 screen protectors. Whoops. Whoa. Uh-oh. Okay, hold on about that. I've gone through actually 3 screen protectors with my Galaxy S23 Ultra just because they're so bad condition or quality, or you just can't figure out how to install them properly. So I'm glad they have a little manual on how to do that. And then also we have a microfiber cloth. It looks like a dust sticker, some screen wipes, and I'm not sure what that yellow thing is. Then at the bottom, we have our tempered glass screen protector. So I'm going to go ahead and just open this package up, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see, there is definitely some dust on here, which, you know, is to be expected just from use. So I'm going to go ahead and use this wipe, give it a peel. Okay. Smells oddly good. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just wipe it off. Okay. And then, what is this? We got dust sticker. Probably be helpful to read the manual. I'm just going to go ahead and give it a small wipe with the microfiber cloth. Now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and read this just to make sure I put it on right. It looks like this blue thing is our sticker, so I'm going to go ahead and give this a peel. Once I find where it peels, let's see. It has to peel somewhere. There's no way they just gave us a thing that doesn't come off. Here we go. Okay. There we go. I'm just going to take this and just get, if I don't see any dust, but just in case there is. Perfect. Okay, and then these little weird looking things are to put on the screen protector so you can move it around. So in this box we have the screen protector, which is obviously really important. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out. And so, yeah, okay. So you can see there's a little peel tab. So I'm going to go ahead and apply these little, let's see, things onto it. And that one. Okay. So what I just did was add these two little sticky things so I can hold on to it. And I'm going to go ahead and give this guy a peel. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and line this up with the phone. Yeah, I'm going to peel this off because that was unnecessary. Okay. I hate when that happens. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and just take this off camera. Sorry, guys. So now you're going to see this, and you're just going to kind of push all the air bubbles out. But I think it does actually a really good job of just getting all the bubbles out, which is really nice. So you don't have like a million bubbles in there that you have to like push every single one out. That can get annoying. So I only see, I don't even know if you can see it on camera. There's like that tiny little thing there. A small bubble there. There's like only like 3 bubbles that I can see. So I'm going to go ahead and just power this back on. And yeah, I'll clean all this junk up. So there is a lot. Oh, there we go. A lot of stuff there. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on. And then see if I can see any more visible marks. I'll go ahead. Or sorry, any visible bubbles. So I'm going to go ahead and just hit that down with a microfiber cloth. Looking good. And thankfully, I actually put it on right. Oh no. Minus that little hair. There. I don't know if you can see that, but that's actually a hair. Okay, but that's not that bad. So just put my password in. And yeah, it's good to go. And kind of a short little tutorial. So like I said earlier, I will leave a link down in the description below on where to buy the screen protector, and you can pick it up from your local Walmart. And I hope this video helped, and if it did, please consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next video. See you then.